Hello, hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Good afternoon, Pastor Mike.
Okay, so you can hear me now.
Yes, we
We
can
can hear
hear
you.
you.
Oh, okay, that's good. Good afternoon, everybody. No wonder today is FOMC, and we are looking towards a lot of high impact news today. We're looking towards the first FOMC for the year, right? And we're looking towards pounds by 315, also on the Canadian dollar by 4:30 p.m. Then 8 p.m. to 8:30, we're having FOMC on dollar. You can see that dollar started today with a gap, which I'm going to show us on the chart. Okay, so Australian dollar, pounds. We've had an impact news on Australian dollar, right? And then pounds also. So we are looking towards Canadian dollars and United States dollars, which is by 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. We look towards what we are heading to. So that is our for the fundamental. Today is FOMC, and the same thing. If there is an increase in the interest rate, more money will be for the government, and but the people will not be able to access loan, but people want to save, and because they know that there's high interest rate, so this will be able to curb inflations. But if there's a reduce deduction, then we are going to see a very, very massive sell off for dollar. So let's look at what will happen. Let's look at the chart because I don't we're not going to spend much time. Can you go see my screen? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, so let's start with the dollar indices at the moment. What I'm seeing, I'm still very bearish on dollar, right? And this is just a retracement. I'm looking towards this line chart. We are currently at this high because that's a key level area and this low. Okay, so I go to 4 hours time frame. The same thing. You could see how market has been ranging and moving towards that. Although we have a break of structural movements here. Okay, I've just seen this. So we might be very, very bullish on dollar. So I think I'm going to change my bias because what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing some bullish sentiment on dollar indices. This is a break to the downside, also a break to the upside. So which means that dollar could be heading to this price, right? This level, which is 108.250. So what we are looking towards at the moment, we should be looking towards bullish sentiment for dollar. I was actually expecting a bearish sentiment because I've been on a sell on USCHF since yesterday. So this is the zone. I would love to see what will happen around here. If the market could reject this zone, if dollar could reject this zone, then that's a good sell for me. But if dollar did not reject this zone and push to the upside, then we have more push and more buyers coming into the market. So there is nothing we could do at the moment. There is nothing I can do at the moment than to wait for market to retrace or probably reject around this level. So that is that for USDX. So we are currently at a tight road, a tight corner for USDX. So talking about that, let's look at USCHF on daily time frame. I'm trying to line chart also to help us pick our highs and lows, right? So this is the low, this is the high. Then we have this. Okay, so I'm also expecting sellers at this point. Like I would love to see sellers coming into the market because this is a very strong high and market rejected this level. So it might be a retracement, but then you could see this level, like this zone is what I'm expecting. I would love to see. So that is why I'm still holding my sell for USDHF. So I'm not going to take out the market. I'm just going to sell USDHF. And I'm waiting. Probably we could have a sell stop order around here and stop loss around this level. Then we have CP1 here and CP2 around here. Okay, so let's see a sell stop order USDHF. Sell stop at I'm going to bring it down a little bit. So breaking down here. Yes, so 0.90544. SL 0.9043. Oh, sorry, 90688. CP1 0.90431. CP2 0.90265. Okay, so that is that. Sell stop for USDCHF. So I'm putting it on our one-day client group. USDCHF sell stop. Sell stop at 0.90544. SL 0.90688. TP1 0.90431. TP2 0.90265. Okay, so that is that for USDCHF. Let's go to some pairs, GBP Okay, so literally, I'm also looking towards some bullish sentiment on GBP daily time frame perception. The reason I'm looking towards GBP bullish sentiment is because this level, I'm looking at this zone to be a very, very strong zone, which is 1.23941. I'm looking at that level, and you can see we have presence of buyers also in that zone on 1 hour time frame. So a sell up to this level, I'm going to drop it, and I'm going to look towards buying up to 1.24970. Although we had a head and shoulder pattern, but we are still looking towards some market sentiment around here. If market breaks this low, then I am going to consider GBP USD extremely bearish. They probably will wait for a proper retracement before selling. So that's that on GBP USD. I'm not going to spend much time on that. Okay, so let's go to GBP AUD because we are having a news on pounds by 3 p.m., I guess. So looking at GBP AUD, I'm going to a line chart and so we have this high, right? And we have this low. And this is a support becomes resistance level. So I go to 4 hours time frame. Now looking at 4 hours time frame, I would love to see a break of market movement. That is market form a lower low around here, right? So GBP AUD, I would love to see sellers coming in. I'd love to see sellers coming into this market. I love to see sellers coming into this market. Okay. And I would love, not that there's going to be sellers, I said I would love to see sellers coming to the market. But market just showed momentum on 15 minutes, which this could also be a black pattern. This could also be a black pattern. So we never can tell. And I look forward to also this level. See if I'm going to see a proper bias in the market. So I've not seen any tangible movement on GBP AUD. Hopefully, probably because of the news that's coming up in by 7:30. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. I mean by 8 p.m. Euro USD. Okay, gold. Euro USD. We look at gold. Gold also. I think I'll be more of sellers than buyers on gold. Why? Because we see market create some sort of level of resistance around here. It's a high, it's the low, which brings this movement. And we are currently inside this retracement phase here, right? So we could see gold falls down to this level, to this zone, 2740 region. Gold could fall down to 7445 region if I change to candlesticks. So what I would love to see here, probably we could take a sell stop because at the moment gold reacts to this, I think this pattern. So we look to see more bearish sellers. So once sellers comes in, we can sell gold down to 2745, which is an ideal move. Okay, so I am not literally convinced about the buyers or sellers in the market at the moment. I am not literally convinced. In fact, market has not given me an adequate entry. Market has not given me an adequate entry, so that's why I'm kind of waiting to see what will happen. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD, GBP JPY, and Euro card. Let's see. I think I saw Euro card earlier. Okay, Euro card. Okay, so for Euro card, I'm going to change the line chart, right? And showing us tangible areas where we could have buyers and sellers in the market. So Euro card, I'm thinking out this as my low. You can see support become resistance and markets to push to the upside. The current trend is bullish, but at the moment we are having some sort of bearish sentiment trying to push Euro card more to the downside, right? That will push Euro card more to the downside. So I change to candlesticks. Well, Euro card is literally bearish. So if you are buying Euro card, you need to be patient, right? So Euro card is very bearish. You just need to be patient before we enter into that market. I'm not going to lie to us. I didn't see any entry in this market. I'm just seeing some sort of funny formations, especially on some currencies as well. Euro USD. Euro USD have a break here. I think Euro USD could change to the top side because this is a strong low and market just broke it. So looking at this, I would love to see a reversal pattern around here, even on 1 hour time frame. So let's see if buyers are going to come down to this market because this zone is already a strong zone. So I'll be hoping to see a reversal. I'll be able to see a reversal here. Probably price take out this high and retraces. Then I'll be able to see let's buy Euro USD. So at the moment, this is currently the highest point resistance that we're looking at here, right? So if I have price breaks out this level, something like this, then retraces, then we head down to this as our TP1, this as our TP2. So Euro USD, we are currently on a reversal phase. So let's see what will happen. Like the truth is, market is giving us two different informations, and it's due to the FOMC that is coming up this evening. So we also need to be very careful. I mean, before we drop out any signal, and I think that's why you've not even dropped any signals yet today, right? So the last one for today is JPY. JPY on a daily time frame, we have this high is broken, this low is broken, here, 4 hours time frame. So for 4 hours time frame, yeah, we had a break of this low and we have market rejecting this high. So at this zone, the reason I'm marking out this is just showing support becomes resistance level. We had a lower low formed and probably market rejected this level. If I am to trade, I'm going to look towards buying JPY. Why? Because this market, this is a low, right? This is an equal low at this support level. Market can move down to this level and show us a reversal pattern before we enter into the market. So we just still need to be patient because I didn't actually see any good or cool sentiments in the market at the moment because market is also showing a wide range of range, and all that. So that's why I said we need to be extremely patient, except if we want to sell GPGPY for a short term before taking our entries to another level. Okay, so that is that this afternoon. There is another information we are going to drop in our funded client group. Please, we are trading stocks. So this Friday, we've been having a class on stocks. So we're having a class on stocks, and it's Friday by 7 p.m. We noticed that a lot of people does not understand that you can actually trade stocks profitably with PA Prime. NZD card. Mr. Alo Victor, please. Once I'm done, please, before for everybody though, at the beginning of the analysis, just drop whatever pair you want us to look out for. Okay, just drop whatever pair you want us to look out for. So by Friday, 7 p.m., the flyer is out. Join us. Let's talk about stocks to trade with PA Prime in 2025. NVIDIA just fell down because of DeepSeek AI that came up by China to combat or compete with OpenAI, which is ChatGPT. So that fell the stocks for NVIDIA and other, and over $1 trillion was wiped out from the stock market. So P Prime was like, oh, okay, let's see how we can teach us all on how we can make money with stocks and also trade stocks profitably. So NZD card, I'll be bearish on NZD card on daily time frame because of this. Markets at this support become resistance level, and whatever we are doing, I will be selling. We've seen a reversal pattern on 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame. Also, I would love to see a proper sell pattern for NZD card. Let me see if we have a rejection. Can we use a sell stop order? NZD card is of no value. So if you are trading NZD card, just look towards sell and buying. At least a sell down to 0.81315. Sell down to this level. 0.81315. Okay, that's that for today's analysis. Thank you very much. There won't be any online class today because of preparation for our Friday stock webinar. Please, you need to be there. And also, if you are a new trader, you don't know how to trade, we have a good copy trade systems that you can copy and also make profits from the global financial market. Have a wonderful trading day, everybody. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much, sir.
Have a great day. Thank you very much.